Let's solve an exponential equation by using properties of exponents to find the value of x. We need to find all real solutions to this exponential equation, where 3 to the power of 2, x minus 1, equals 27 to the power of x plus 2. The key to solving this equation is to express both sides using the same base. Starting with our original equation, 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 27 to the power of x plus 2. The crucial observation is that 27 is actually a power of 3. Specifically, 27 equals 3 cubed. We can see that 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Now let's rewrite our equation by substituting 27 with 3 cubed. We have 3 to the power of 2, x minus 1, equals 27 to the power of x plus 2. Substituting 27 with 3 cubed gives us 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 3 cubed, all raised to the power of x plus 2. Next, we apply the power rule for exponents. The power rule states that when we raise a power to another power, we multiply the exponents. Applying this to the right side of our equation, we get 3 to the power of 2, x minus 1, equals 3 to the power of 3 times the quantity x plus 2. Distributing the 3 gives us 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 6. Since both sides have the same base, we can set the exponents equal to each other. When the bases are equal and positive, the exponents must be equal. From 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 6. We can conclude that 2x minus 1 equals 3x plus 6. Now we solve this linear equation for x. Starting with 2x minus 1 equals 3x plus 6. Subtracting 3x from both sides and adding 1 to both sides, it gives us 2x minus 3x equals 6 plus 1. Simplifying, we get negative x equals 7. Therefore, x equals negative 7. Our solution is x equals negative 7. Let's verify our answer by substituting x equals negative 7 back into the original equation. We'll substitute x equals negative 7 into both sides of the original equation. For the left side, we have 3 to the power of 2 times negative 7 minus 1. This equals 3 to the power of negative 14 minus 1, which is 3 to the power of negative 15. For the right side, we have 27 to the power of negative 7 plus 2. This equals 27 to the power of negative 5, which is 3 cubed to the power of negative 5. Using the power rule, this becomes 3 to the power of negative 15. Both sides equal 3 to the power of negative 15, confirming our solution is correct. Let's summarize our solution. The real solution to the equation 3 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 27 to the power of x plus 2 is x equals negative 7.